Hey guys, it's Jewelyn. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another Come With Me. I thought I had to do an outfit change, and then I drove 13 miles to a cloudy part of San Diego. So yes, I'm here in San Diego filming content for the channel, and I do have dance class tonight for my dance school, and I'm really excited about that. But first, plants, and I'm really excited to check out this nursery. I'm like at a nursery that's right on the side of the road, and there's a freeway, so I'm in between like a main road for this town as well as the freeway, so there's a lot of background noise, but I'm kind of interested to see if there's anything cool. As you can see, it's very hilly. There's a lot of things on the hill here, and it kind of gives me like a mom and pop vibe, so I'm kind of interested to see if there's anything unique. Right now, from what I see from a distance something that looks like a greenhouse, so I'm kind of interested to see if there's any cool gems here. But definitely give this video a thumbs up for exploring new places in San Diego. I definitely like coming out here from time to time, and with my dance school having my program coordinator based out here in San Diego, I don't have to go to the Bay Area as much because I can just come down to San Diego and see her and take class. So I guess that means I'd be coming out here once a month. I would like to come out to San Diego once a month for dance school to see my program coordinator and take class. So that means you'll be seeing more San Diego content in the future. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Why? Because it is Ebby friendly. Yay! As you can see, everything is on a hill. Kind of interested in the indoor plant section. Super cute. And we have Ebby here with me. I see what looks like a kangaroo paw. Love that. Ooh, come babe. The succulent section. $30 for the aloe. I love how they have everything labeled. The fire sticks is priced for about $13. These flapjacks goes for about $13. Kind of on the expensive side. I wonder how much the copper spoon. About $35 for the copper spoon. Jelly bean sedum. Wow, look at the variegation of this kalanchoe. It's priced for probably around $9 for this. Not that bad. There's a cressula here, the silver jade. Get this guy for about $10. Not that bad at all. Here's this guy that I always see here, the cressula green beads. I love that. So now I know what species it is. It's a cressula green beads. Okay, note to self. A lot of background noise because again, I'm sandwiched between two main roads here, the freeway and a main road. Wow. Here's their opuntias, which is actually not that bad. Look at that. This opuntia is priced for under $10, and this is a good one. Look at all of the pads here. That's actually a good one. Even this one. Wow, look at the characteristics of this one. Now this guy is really fun. I think this one is like the best one out of all of them because it has a lot of characteristic to it. I don't know what's going on here, but even like this one is a good one too. Ooh, they feel like they're rooted in the ground. It's been here for a while. But if you're looking for an opuntia, and if I didn't have any, I would definitely probably choose that one because I love the characteristic of that. There's another fun one, the Delosperma, the pickle plant. Actually, this is a huge one. This is Catherine's favorite plant that we got in Reseda. This is a good one. Look at how big that is. Wow. I think that's a reasonable price. You can get the whole thing for about $11. Ooh, and here's the AMAC. Love seeing an AMAC Euphorbia. Love when they can offer that. Here's this guy, Orbiculata. Okay, so I thought my plant that I featured in the Pot of Fame was a cressula, but it is a Cotyledon orbiculata species. Noted. Note to self. That's another cool thing about coming to plant nurseries is that some of them are labeled and it'll help you identify yours, which is always nice. Wow, take a look at this guy here. Imagine being able to propagate off of him. Hey. Wow. Oh my gosh, you guys. How beautiful. Wow, this place is so cute. Look at this, little babies. Okay, this is reasonable. $1.95 for 2 inches. Look at this. They got the variegated bear paws. Aww. So cute. Look at this, guys. I love it. Wow, take a look at this. This place is beautiful. Love how they have their succulents displayed here. This place is so cute. Okay, I'm getting excited now. This place is adorable. Gonna have to snap a picture. I'm always sending pictures to Kira and Catherine and my grandma and my mom wherever I go. This place is so cute. I think I'm gonna get the shot from right here. Very cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see if there's anything fun to add to the collection. I love how they have everything labeled. Here's a Senecio. I see this all the time in Las Vegas. It has that Halloween vibe to it. That's not that bad at all. $11 for that. Sure to Scantia Purple Heart. Wow, take a look at this. Wow, look at this. This is so cool. I'm gonna have to send a picture of that to Kira because she likes to collect aloes, but this one is a cool one. Very cool. Send that to her. Wow, look at the cute little arrangements here. Oh, this is fun with the Rhipsalis. I like how they styled that like in a little lemon bowl. The Aeonium Kiwi that Catherine has. Oh, this is super cute too. Great styling. Love some plant inspo here. Very cute. I love how everything is labeled, so definitely big thumbs up to that. Oh, bird's nest cactus. I love a mammillaria. Look at this one. Very cute. I love this place. Very cute. Ooh, look at this. This looks like my Delosperma, but really big. And I love how they styled it with the dressing on the top. That's not that bad at all. So I think that I love how they have a Stapelia. They don't know exactly what variation this is. Actually, it does look like a Stapelia. This is very interesting to me. And I think that's pretty worth it for about $6 for this. I do have a regular Stapelia, but the fact that it's like a hybrid, that just grabs my attention. Now this is not that bad at all. This is actually a good deal right here. Cressula Galoom. Love that. And it comes like in a planter with top dressing. That's a good deal. About $11. Okay, I'm a huge fan of this nursery. Wow, take a look at this, Ebbs. This is a fun one. I actually seen this. Okay. Trichodiadema denzome has magenta blooms. That is so cute. I seen this in a previous nursery. Look at how cute that is. Not that bad for something really cool and interesting. Some string of bananas, priced for about $15. Ooh, okay. I see some bonsai looking trees. I love these guys. For about $11. Native to Baja, very slow growing. It kind of gives me some Caldex type vibes, like almost like a ficus. Okay, this is really cool. This spot is definitely cool. Wow, look at this, guys. I love how it just goes up on a hill. That is so cute. Look at the ferns growing in ground. I love how it says locally made reclaimed wood. Very cute. Oh. Wow. Senecio haworthii. How beautiful that is. Now, I've seen this plant before, but definitely not this big, and I love how it's cascading. This is definitely a beautiful like statement piece if you would have one plant like in a corner on a table. And that thing is priced for about $35 maybe with tax. I think that is so stunning. Now, can we find that plant smaller? I don't see any from my point of view, but wow, that is so pretty. That'd be like a nice like plant gift to someone who loves plants. I would definitely love that. Baby, what do you think about this place? Isn't this place cute? I love this place. Is this some kind of oxalis? Oh no. A bonsai oxalis. Guys, tell me this is not the cutest thing. I'm gonna have to get him. Look at that. Look at the way how it's grown. This is so fun. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna have to take this with me. This is so cute. Okay, I'm coming back for you. I love you. That is so fun. So interesting to me. Oh, I'm excited now. Okay. Ooh, look at this crested guy. Oh my goodness. A crested aeonium sunburst. Wow, this is so gorgeous too. For about $30, I think it's a fantastic price for just the size. Now, there is some cobwebs happening here, but wow, look at this Euphorbia. It kind of gives me like an Eve's needle vibe, but like it's so super long. Look at that. Now, my Eve's needle only has like these pointed things like their hair on the top portion. You usually see the Eve's needle just having this characteristic on the plant on the top, but not throughout. So I wonder like if it's some kind of hybrid of the Eve's needle, which I think is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm getting excited now. Look at this guy. Wow. What are you? It kind of gives me some Cressula vibes. Are you labeled? Of course you are. Okay. Some Elk Horns. Now, this guy is cool. Why do I like him? Because he has like a stocky stem here, which I love that. Very cute. So about $11 for this guy, but he's interesting. I love the interesting weird ones. Super cute. Look at these ants. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here's another Sansevieria gracilis. Now, this guy, I have a small version of him, and this one is super cool, and I love how they have the top dressing. Love this. Ooh, I love how they style it with top dressing. This one is a fun one. What is this? A Euphorbian African milk barrel. Look at all the babies on this. Oh my goodness. Now, this one is a fun one. Not that bad. For about $11, I think that's pretty reasonable, and it comes with top dressing. Very cute. I love this place a lot. Ooh, this guy has a lot of characteristic too. Look at that. Okay, I'm getting distracted. This place is awesome. Wow, what are you? You're cool too. Okay. An alloy hybrid. Oh, Kira would like this one. Okay. Looking at everything here. Some donkey's tail. Okay. So definitely in this section, I got stuck in this section, guys. I got stuck, that's for sure. I love how they have like another aloe species here. I'm gonna have to send this picture to Kira. This is a cool one too. Things that draw my attention in this section is definitely this Euphorbia. He's super cool. I think the price is right. The Aeonium Crested Sunburst, I love that. I think that's a pretty good deal just for the characteristic and the size of it, and the fact that it's crested. I feel like crested plants are more expensive, but that's just from my opinion and experience. But yeah, I have to send this picture also to Catherine because we both have the Eve's needle. Wow, this place is so cool. Okay guys, this place is so fun. I am getting so sidetracked. This was a really fun section. I mean, they even have the Rhipsalis, which I really love, and these go for about $11. And I love how it says like exactly what it needs. So that needs filtered light, which is like perfect for my bathroom. But it's a Rhipsalis Cassuta, Cassuttah. I love how they have everything labeled here. Tradescantia I've never seen. This is interesting. Wow. If I didn't get so many Tradescantias over the weekend, that'd be really fun to have. Oh no. Here's an alocasia for about $50. Look at that. I love how there's like lots of babies. That'd be a good deal too to have. Wow, look at this Tradescantia. How pretty is this? So about $20 you can get this nice deep dark Zebrina here, which I think is really fun. Here's another different variation of a Tradescantia. Price for about $10. Oh my goodness, this place is so cute. I love the charming vibes and the way how everything is just laid out. Very cute. Hi. Very cute place. Huh? I want to get that Oxalis over there. I've never seen it in a bonsai form before.
I think it's just
the way how it growed. Oh. Yeah, I collect them. I've never seen them grown like that before. Yeah. Very fun. How are you?
Pretty good, thanks.
I'm glad it's not raining, but I think it's coming.
Yeah, it might be.
Ooh. Bird's nest fern. Ooh, the little baby kangaroo fern. Very cute. One of my favorites. Love a good Dracaena. Song of India. Love a Sigonium. White butterfly. I love how they have everything labeled. A little Maranta. So very reasonable in price. I mean, some a little bit expensive, but hey, I'm not mad at that. There's some really cool things. So you could get this spider plant for about $16. Red Congo. This one is priced for about $15. They have the nerve plant for about $6. They have a pretty good variety for mom and pop nursery. And then here we go for the Sansevieras, which is what I collect. And I also wanted to show you how they have like these little cute hangers here. Very cute. Some Spanish moss. Love seeing that. And I love their little display here. This wooden display is so cute. I'm gonna wrap up another Come With Me out here in San Diego, California. If you enjoyed this Come With Me, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. If you're new and just found my channel, I have hundreds of videos on this channel. I upload daily, 5 in the morning, to give you guys a little plant inspo. It's definitely fun to go ahead and explore different cities. I'm about 2.5 hours south of me, and I'm really excited to be able to explore San Diego and the plant community. I haven't been out here for 7 months, never been to this nursery before, so stay tuned. I am getting maybe 1 or 2 plants, so I'll definitely do a collective San Diego haul. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know down in the comments below what was your favorite part, or at least what plant that sparks your attention. I'd love to know down in the comments below. You can find more on my blog at ilovejewelyn.blogspot.com. Until next time, aloha from San Diego, California. Bye!